Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to check the upstream and downstream slope of this earth dam during after construction condition. We know that after construction condition the properties of soil, especially gamma, is dry for the dam body and also the foundation. From the analysis in the project setting, we select the direction of failure. For example, this is upstream. For the upstream, right to left. Okay. And we should add the surface of failure here. From surfaces auto grid. This is the failure surface. We can change this number, increase to and decreased. This was increase the number of surfaces, okay, or the number of trials. And this was from after that, from the analysis compute. Okay, now we show the result from the also analysis interpret. This is the factor of safety for the upstream slope during after construction condition, which is 2.561. Here we have many different methods. In this analysis we have two methods, Bishop and Jambi. We can increase method of analysis from project also analysis. Here we can change any modification for this. For example, here query, we can show slices. Also from query show slice data, we can show the data of each slice, which include all forces. And from display option also we can change any modification for the sketch or for the results.